Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to block or unblock someone on Facebook. So for this, let's open our Facebook app. Once you are here, now open the profile of that person whom you want to block. So I will search for a random person here. So for an example, I search for Olivia here and I will open their profile. So here we have three dot in the right side. Click on it. As you click, there we have block option. Click on block and now again click on block. So in this way, this user will be blocked. In this way, you can block someone on Facebook. Now to unblock, you need to click on the menu on the top right corner. Now here, scroll down until you find setting and privacy option. Click on it. Now click on settings. From here, you need to scroll down until you find audience and visibility. Okay, so here we have it. Now click on blocking. And here you will find all the people that you blocked. Now click on unblock in front of the one whom you want to unblock, and now the person is unblocked. In this way, you can unblock people on Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.